In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle phone calls using Python. We'll walk through the full flow from picking a platform to writing the code that answers and places calls, all in a clear, practical way. First, choose a communications platform that offers voice APIs. Popular options include Twilio, Vonage, and Plivo. They all provide reliable voice calling and solid Python SDKs. Look for features you care about, like call recording, speech prompts, and pricing in your region. The key is that your provider supports webhooks and has a Python library so you can control calls from your code. Next, you'll need two things to get started: a virtual phone number from your provider and a way to expose your local development server to the internet. The virtual number is what people will dial, and it's where your provider will send call events. For exposing your local code, a tunneling tool like ngrok gives you a public URL that forwards to your machine. That URL is what you'll configure on the provider's dashboard as the webhook for incoming calls. Open your command prompt or terminal and install the official Python library for the platform you picked. Use pip to add the SDK to your project, for example, installing Twilio, Vonage, or Plivo. It's a good idea to do this inside a virtual environment so your dependencies stay organized. Keep your account credentials safe. You'll reference them from code without hard coding anything sensitive. Now, think about the core call flows you'll build: answering incoming calls, making outbound calls, and modifying live calls. When a call hits your number, the provider sends an HTTP request to your webhook. Your code responds with simple call instructions like playing a greeting, gathering keypad input, recording a message, or forwarding to another number. For outbound calls, your script creates a call via the SDK to a destination number and points the provider to a URL that returns instructions for what the callie hears. Modifying live calls means updating an ongoing call in real time, placing someone on hold, redirecting them to a new flow, or ending the call, again through the SDK using the call's unique identifier. Finally, open Python and create your code. A minimal setup is a small web server, for example with Flask or a similar framework, with a route that handles incoming call webhooks and returns the appropriate instructions. Add another route for outbound call behavior and a simple function that uses the SDK to initiate dials. Run your app locally, start your tunneling tool, paste the public URL into your provider's webhook settings for your number, and place a test call. Watch the logs, iterate on your prompts and flows, and you'll have Python-driven phone calls up and running.